Okay guys, hi guys, my name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Food Craft, and how you guys doing? Today we are in Ikea and we're just here to pick up a couple of things. Okay guys, if anybody interested in any these real trees, they have these here, potted plants. Oh yeah, look at that, that is so pretty. And they also have so this is the clearance section, and once again you come over here and you see if you want anything or you need anything, and a lot of the times they have a lot of good things over here. You see these lamps here they have right here. This is pretty cool. It was 54, it's 27. They even have these box lamps here. So they have a lot of good things if you have the time to come through here and check them out. That's cool. What's that? I don't know. That looks like some Siri. Yeah, it looks like a speaker. I don't know. $132. It gotta be something. Oh yeah, it is a speaker. A table lamp with a Wi-Fi speaker. Oh, that's why it's 100. The price was 188. 180. Wow. But yeah, so this is where I usually come to get some of my crafting supplies. So I'm gonna try to pick up a couple of these things and make some projects out of them. Why not, guys? They also have tables and chairs and brackets and benches and all kinds of things. Okay guys, this is all of this stuff here you can use in a crafting project. I love this one right here. Do so many different projects with this. Check that out. Look at this one here. Wow. That's this one here. That's this one here. This is so pretty. Well, what would you do with this? Ideas, anyone? This is pretty though. And they have the larger one here. Okay. Very nice. Look at these up here. Wow. Beautiful. I apologize because I do see a silver tray. So let's see in gold and silver. Really nice size. This could be used for a whole lot of different things, guys. Again, that's the size of it. Beautiful. So it comes in that gold and a silver. Okay guys, this is one of the beautiful sections they have with all of these different candles. Oh my god, look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that pink, look at that, lanterns. They also have so many different kinds. I just want to bring you guys in closer. Wow, look at that one. Okay, so you know these are project cities over here. This one is so beautiful. Look at this one. They have all sizes, guys. All different sizes. It smells so good over here. Let me take this one out. I think this one is the bigger one. Yeah. So that one there is the bigger one. And here's the smaller one. So you can literally have a matching set right there. The bigger one and the smaller one. And I don't see a price on it. So I don't know. I think this is $12.99. This big one is $12.99. I'm pretty sure that one is $12.99. And these here are $3.99. These small ones here are $3.99. These are so pretty. Last act, last chance. So those are pretty though. I'm thinking about getting one or two of those just to put it in a project. I think it's pretty. You guys say candles? Look at this. Oh my goodness, they have so many, all different shapes and sizes. Beautiful. Look at those candles, guys. Anybody like candles, this is definitely a place to go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get these napkins right here. These big ones right here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with them. Guys, to see what I'm gonna do with them. You're gonna need a Cricut machine. To do what I'm going to do. Okay guys, I finally found the website you guys do all those crafty projects with in Ikea. We just checked it out. Just check the price, guys. The price is $2.99. I'm going to pick up 2 and I'm going to do a project with it. So stay tuned for that. And they also have the one for $4.49. Okay guys, for those of you who decorate and who use flowers in your balloons and all of that stuff here. Ikea has some real nice cards. Just check it out. Can you hold that up for me? Look at that there, look at that there. Isn't that beautiful? All right now. Okay guys, so I'm back home from Ikea and I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I bought. I didn't buy too much, but yeah, this is some of the things I bought. I bought the tea holder candles, and I also bought these little ones here to for the tea candles to sit on. I bought, isn't this cute? This is the tray for the napkins. I already told you guys I got something that I'm going to do with the napkins. I'm going to take my Cricut machine. Let's see if I can get this out of here. It's kind of cute. It sits in there really nice. Okay, so hold on a minute. I love that. Isn't that cute? Right? So this sits in there, which is cool. And I got a project that I'm going to do just with the napkins. I bought these aloe vera plants here. And these little cases here. I went and bought these little cases. They were $5. But before I know it, the lady rang them up and I wanted to tell her to take it off. But I said, you know what? Let's just go with the flow. So we got these 2 weed baskets and we got the aloe vera plant. The aloe vera plant was $4.99. So we got 2 of those to sit in the window just to make things look beautiful. We got our mist spray bottles in the back. Right? And I bought these bottles so I could put my balloon spray in it. Okay, so we got some more napkins. We got some some baggies, food baggies. We got a shifter, so when I make my cookies or my cakes and my frosting, I can shift my flour. And we also got, let's put this back in here. We also bought this little carpet here. I'm thinking of a fabulous project to do with this. It looks like jute twine, and I will be using jute twine in the project, so this should go pretty good. What you guys think? Check that out. And this one here was $2.99. I should have got 2. I started to get 2 and changed my mind, but yeah, if anybody interested, okay, this is what I wanted to show you. These are glass doors. I guess it went to something in Ikea. And what I usually do is I purchase them, especially because they have the holes in it. And say I want to implement this into one of my balloon garlands. It already have the holes. I can put Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. I can put wedding dates. I can paint this any color I want. Yeah, so I purchased 2 of these. So if you guys see these at Ikea, make sure you pick them up because you can do so many different things with them, guys. Check this out. It's a nice size. I don't have the measurements, but look at here, and it's heavy. Just look at that. You can do a whole lot with it. See, I was having a baby shower. I would put baby shower across here, put the baby's age, the name underneath here. If you got a Cricut, you can take this to the limit. Walk one to Ikea and pick up quite a few of these because these are everlasting and you can make a lot of different projects with these here. And this is the front, and the back is coated a little bit different than the front. But I will be using the opposite side. This is like a smoother surface back here. And this one behind here is like a glass. So I guess the coating is on that side. What you see in the front is covered with the glass. But yeah, guys, so I purchased 2 of these. The only reason I just got 2 is because I was taking the train and the bus back home. But if I had a car, I would have brought as many as possible because you can do a whole lot with this, like I said. And if you have clients who want to use this, perfect. Congratulations. 2022, graduation day, anniversary day. I mean, you can go on and on and on with this if you have a cutting machine. You can, like I said, this is glass. Cut out your letters, put it on here. When you finish with it, take those letters up and you can continue to use it, which is a good thing. So again, go to Ikea. Guys, that seals my trip to Ikea. I had so much fun. I cannot wait to go back. When I go back, I'm going to go back to look for some wood because I want to make some wood projects. So yeah, guys, I want to thank you. My name is Roslyn from Roslyn Journey Through Crafting.